Alright, in this video, I'm going to talk about using if name is main in your Python scripts. So typically, you will need to use if name is main if you want to run a segment of your code inside your module, and you don't want it to output when you're using it as a module. Okay, so what does that mean? So concretely, let's give an example. So let's say you have a your module here. So let's say you're designing a module and you have a cool function. I'm gonna call my cool function, and inside it's gonna print I am cool. Okay. And let's say you're doing some testing as you're designing this module. So if you use if name equals main, don't ask me why it's called that. It's just a Python syntax. You just gotta know when and how to use it. So inside, I'm gonna print testing from module, and if I call my cool function, for example, and run this, you can see that it says testing from module. I am cool. Okay. So now let's say you have another script and you're trying to use the module you just created, but you don't want to output the test that you're running. So here I would say like from my module demo, import everything. And if I call my cool function here and run this, you can see that it says I am cool. So it no longer prints out everything that's inside here. And that may be pretty useful if you're just doing a quick test inside your module and don't want to create another function. Okay, so this is kind of a design and style preference, and it's kind of up to you how you want to do it. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.